overthinking these masks a little bunch, and I understand. Uh, Everybody's scared. We've got our fight and flight going. We have a thing we can't see, and we have expectations that that we're going to be protected by things we can buy. That's part of our culture, unfortunately, and it's generating a ton of waste. And it concerns me that it's taking a lot of materials away from people who actually need them. Let me kind of hopefully reframe the way you think about the grocery store, because that's the one place you need to go. You got to go to the grocery store. And you're talking about 20 minutes to an hour of exposure, of potential exposure, and you can clean yourself when you get it home. I'm watching people reusing masks. I'm watching people not using masks right. They're fussing with them. They get all up in their face or walking around with them down here. That is just wasting material. And it was at expense that people went and got them, and once they're used, they're used. You can't reuse them. You can't clean them. So I've come up with a little way here, and I've seen some of these handkerchief masks, and man, they're just overthinking it. Just overthinking it. So we go Bandit style here. I've got a pink bandana here. Not to set anybody off who lived through the crack epidemic, right? Got no Crips or Bloods here. Paper towel. This one's perforated. I'd prefer to not, and I'm going to find one that isn't. But I'm going to set that in a triangle right there. And then all those twist ties you've been hoarding for forever. They're all sitting in the back of your cabinet, whatever. You get about 5 of them in a row, and this turns into a nose piece. Just set it right in the middle. Fold the whole thing over in half. I do this for firework that we do. Make sure it gets up in there. Okay, maybe fold it that way. Coming around. And you're going to pull this up. Shake that nose. Pull the glasses out a little bit so you don't have to fuss with them because of steam coming up across that barrier there. And there you go. You're going in Bandit style. Look at how it's covering all down my neck. You're trying to capture any contagion. See, it goes all the way around my chin. More so from going out and coming in if you have it. And you could wear this without touching your face for quite some time. Seen a lot of people fussing with them, using them inappropriately. The nose piece I'm going to use is a plant anchor. It's a little piece of lead probably. We use them on our plants and our fish tanks. Nice flat piece. I've tried wire, different gauges of wire. You could probably take some speaker wire and tape it together, and then when you get home you take the whole thing off outside, throw away the paper towel, hang on to your nose piece. You're going to sterilize that with 5% bleach. Needs to be on there for a minute, and then you're going to throw the rag right into the laundry with the rest of your clothes and get into the shower and wash all that contagion off of you if it's on you. That's how we can do this safe. We can save those respirators for the people who need them, who are having viral load coughed right in their face or preventing someone from coughing in someone else's face. It's about reducing risk, and you're not going to do it perfectly. So let's do this a little bit more economically and in a way that's just not making a bunch of trash. Frustratingly, not even doing its job. Okay, so think about that. Be excellent to each other and stay at home.